Okay, so adding dissimilar fractions. Adding, diba? Adding is, you have to add, no? The answer of addition, of course, no? The answer of addition is, again, sum. Diba? Yan ang answer ng addition, sum. So, ano ibig sabihin ng dissimilar fraction? Ang dissimilar fraction class, ang denominator niya hindi pareho. For example, example ng dissimilar fraction, no? Alright? Pwede 1/2, ano pa? 2/3 or 3/4. Yan. So, makikita natin ang denominator dito ay 2, sa fraction na to ay 3, another fraction ay 4. So, ang tatlong fraction na to, ang tawag sa kanila ay dissimilar fractions. Kasi hindi pareho ang kanilang denominator. Alright? So, for example, you have for example, no, number 1, example, 5/7 plus 8/7. So, you have to add, no, fractions 5/7 plus 8/7. So, tingnan natin muna, class, ang kanilang denominator. Ano ba ang denominator dito? 7, di ba? Then the other one is 7. So, since pareho sila, now, that is actually similar. Similar, pareho, similar fraction. So, kopyahin lang ang 7, then sa taas, di ba, 5 plus, di ba, plus yan, 5 plus 8. So, ang answer natin, class, ay 13/7. Pag similar fraction. Another one, example. Hanap tayo ng example for dissimilar fraction. Let's say, 2/3 plus 1/5. So, pag ganitong klaseng fraction class, ang tawag sa fraction na ito, you are adding dissimilar fraction. Bakit? Kasi hindi pareho ang kanilang denominator. Ang denominator dito ay 3, the other one ay 5. So, mangyari, kukunin natin ang LCD, least common denominator. So, yan, no? So, ilista natin lahat, no? Sulat natin lahat ang denominator. Ano naman ang denominator? Diba? 3 at saka 3 and 5. Diba? 3 and 5. So, to get the least common denominator, you have to convert 3 at saka 5 into 1. So, unahin natin muna ang bigger, unahin natin muna ang smaller number. Ano yung smaller number dyan? 3. Diba? So, 3 ang smaller number. Paano magiging 1 ang 3? Of course, you divide this one by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then 5 divided by 3, decimal. So, just bring down 5. Yan. And then, next is, okay na yung 3 naging 1 na, no? Okay na ang 3 naging 1 na. Next is 5. O, paano maging 1 ang 5? So, we have to divide this one by, of course, 5. So, kopyahin lang, 1, then 5 divided by 5 is 1. So, lahat yan, class, naka-1 na, di ba? Yung 3 naging 1 na, ang 5 naging 1 na. The next is, i-multiply lang natin yung dalawang number na yan. Diba? So, 3 times 5, how much? That is 15. So, the least common denominator is 15. So, meron na tayong least common denominator. Mangyari, sulat natin ulit 2/3, diba? Plus 1/5. Then, the least common denominator is 15. Okay, so next step, ang 15 na to, class, diba? Ang 15 na yan, 15, divide natin by 3. Okay, so ito ba, 15, no, divided by 3. Ito siya, 15 divided by 3 is 5. Diba? And then, i-times natin sa numerator. Ang 5, i-times natin sa 2. Ganon siya. Kasi dissimilar fraction. So, the answer is 5 times 2 is 10, no? So, lagay natin dito 10. Hindi follow. Next is 15. Na naman, no? Ito na naman. 15 at saka 5. Okay, so 15 divided by 5, how much? That is 3. And then times natin by numerator dito, which is 1. Diba? So 3 times 1 is 3. So lagay natin, diba? Plus ito plus. So lagay natin dito na plus what? Oh, plus 3. So makikita mo, combine na yan, diba? So this will be equals to ano na yan? 15. Ano follow? Right? So, 10 plus 3 is 13. So, yan ang answer, no? Pag dissimilar fraction. Another example. Let's say, number 3, no? 4 over 7 plus 1/2 plus 2 4 over 6. So, there are 3 fractions. 4 over 7, ano pa? 1/2 and 4 over 6. So, makikita natin, ang fraction na to, iba ang kanilang denominators. Diba? Ito, 7. This one is 2. The other one is 6. So, ang tawag sa fractions na yan ay dissimilar fractions. So, in adding dissimilar fractions, anong gagawin natin? We have to find the LCD. Ano ibig sabihin ng LCD? Least common denominator. So, to find least common denominator, okay, so, kukunin natin ang denominator nila, 7, 2, and 6. And then, our target is to convert this one to 1. Ang 2 mo, magiging 1. Ang 6 natin, gawin natin 1. So, paano ba? Unahin natin muna yung smaller number. So, paano maging 1 ang 2? So, divide this one, of course, by 2. Diba? Okay, so 7 divided by 2, that is decimal. So, bring down 7. O, 2 divided by 2, 1. Diba? So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. O, next thing is, ano yung lowest dito maliban sa 1? Ang lowest class ay 3. So, paano magiging 1 ang 3? O, i-divide natin, of course, by 3. So, 7 divided by 3 is decimal. Bring down 7. Ito, okay na 1. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So, 7 na lang, no, ang problema natin. No? Paano maging 1 ang 7? O, divide natin, class, of course, by 7. 7 divided by 7, ito. No? 7 divided by 7 is 1. So, bring down 1, bring down 1. So, eto na. Then, next is multiply natin. 2 times 3. No, 2 times 3 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6 times 7, 42. Tama ba? O, 42. So, the least common denominator is equals to 42. So, mangyari, nakuha na natin ang meron na tayong least common denominator. So, sulat natin ang yung fraction. 4 over 7 plus 1/2 plus 4 over 6. O, equals, di ba, ang least common denominator ay 42. Yan. So, follow din natin ang rules, di ba? Next is, yung 42, no? Divide natin by 7. Ito, no? Oh, 1 by 1 yan siya. 42 divided by 7 is how much? That is equals to 6. Then, next is, i-times natin by 4. Diba? By 4. Oh, 6 times 4 is 24. Lagay dito, 24. And then, plus, no? Plus man yan. Plus. So, lagay natin na plus. Next is, 42 na naman. 42 divided by 2. How much? 42 divided by 2 is 21, no? 21. And then, diba? Oh, 42 divided by 2 is 21. times 1. Yung sa taas. Times natin 1, that is equals to 21. So, plus 21, di ba? O, plus na naman. Kasi plus man ito, di ba? O, plus, then plus. And the next is 42. 42 divided by 6 is equals to, no? 42 man yan, no? 42 divided by 6. Ito siya, 42 divided by 6 is equals to 7. Times what? Times 4. Yun ang rules, no? Times 4. Yan, times 4. Alright? So, times 4. So, 7 times 4 is equals to 28. So, 28 siya, class. Di ba? So, next is, i-add na natin, no? This one. Diba? Ito. So, that is, lagay ko dito sa baba, Yan. That is 24, 21, 28. So, equals 24 plus 21, diba? Plus 28 over 42. So, how much? So, over 42, no? Over 42. So, 24 plus 21. How much? Okay, calculator. 24 plus 21 plus 28. Pwede na yan, diretso, no? 24 plus 21 plus 28 equals 73. Alright, so 73 dito. Yan. Okay, naintindihan? Alright, no? So, yan. Yan ang addition of similar fractions. Okay, so, for example, lagyan natin ng variables, so yung mga letters. Example, number 4, let's say, number 4, number 3. Yan, so let's say, x over 3 plus y over 2. So, this is also dissimilar fraction, no? Kasi, ang denominator dito ay 3, then the other one is 2. So, ibig sabihin, that is dissimilar fractions. So, since dissimilar fraction yan, anong gagawin natin? We have to find LCD. Yun palagi, no? We have to find LCD. LCD. So, paano ba? O, lista natin muna yung kanyang denominator na 3 at saka 2. Then, yung 3 gawin natin 1, ang 2 gawin natin 1. So, ang lowest class ay 2. So, paano maging 1 ang 2? You divide this one by 2. Diba? So, 3 divided by 2, decimal yan, just bring down 3. Yun ang rules, no? Just bring down 3 and then 2 divided by 2. What is 1? Alright, 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. Okay? So, okay na yung 2, naging 1 na. O, 3, paano maging 1? Of course, divide mo by 3. So, 3 divided by 3, 1, 1. So, 1 na yan, wala nang problema. Then, you just multiply 2 times 3. Diba? 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Right? 6. So, ang least common denominator nila sa fraction na yan ay 6. So, mangyari, diba? Ano ba yung tanong? Palitan natin, no? X over 3 plus y over 2. The least common denominator is 6. So, again, ang 6 na to, diba? Ang rules na gagawin natin, step natin is 6, divide natin by this one, 3. Alright? So, divide natin by 3. And then, equals to, 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. Then, times natin, class, by, ano yung kanyang numerator? Diba, the numerator is x. So, tanggalin ko yung times, ano? Gawin ko na lang ganito. O, times natin by x. Ang galing ang x. Diba? Kasi ganito, no? Ang steps. So, mayroon na tayong least common denominator, which is 6. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2 times the numerator x. So, 2 times x, that is equals to 2x. Next. So, 2x, no? Lagay mo dyan. And then, since plus ito, then plus na naman. Next is 6. Ano? Okay, so 6 divided by 2, which is equals to 3 times y. Diba? Ganito yan, no? Yan, no? 6 divided by 2. So, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Then, times natin by y. So, 3 times y is equals to 3y. So, 3 y. Alright? So, since we cannot combine x and y because they are unlike terms. Alright? So, unlike terms man, iba yung x, iba yung y. So, we cannot combine. So, i-remain na lang natin na ano, na, dito ko na 2x plus 3y over 6. So, yan ang final answer natin. Alright, kinfollow? Yan, no? So, just keep on watching the videos. Ulitin ng ulitin para maintindihan, no? Repetition makes you understand the problems. Thank you very much. Like daw and subscribe. Thank you.